Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. So I think a lot of you are going to be really excited by the title of this video, because I think a lot of you probably found my channel because of what I'm about to embark on. If you're new here and you don't know me, or you don't know me very well yet, last year, so 2019, I renovated my flat. We basically changed everything about this place, and I bought it with the intention of completely changing everything about it. And it was a huge project, and it is by no means finished, hence this video. I'm gonna link down below the empty house tour that I filmed 2 years ago when I kind of did the walkthrough tour of this flat. It's a masonette flat. If you're completely new and you have no idea kind of the scale of the changes that we've made here, I am eventually going to do kind of before and after room tours of the upstairs and the downstairs. There's like 2 videos when I feel ready to, when I feel like my house is ready for that. That's definitely not the case right now. I'm currently sat in my bedroom, and I would say that of all of the rooms in the house that I spend this amount of time in, this is the least completed room, and the room that I kind of never really did decorating wise. So structurally, this room has probably had the biggest transformation from the beginning, which is why I think I neglected it so much in the decorating phase, because it had already undergone such an enormous change. I wanted to focus my attention into other rooms, like getting my living room done and finally I'm kind of nearly there with my office. And this room just got completely left, and I just haven't done really anything to it. It's an absolute mess all the time. This room has very little storage. I have a sort of wardrobe situation that is horrifically unorganized. I just don't have enough storage, basically. I talk about clothes, I talk about fashion a lot on my channel. It's a big part of what I do, and my room is not built for someone with that job. So I've been planning this video for a few weeks now, and I am going to give my bedroom a complete overhaul. I am going to repaint it. I mean, I never painted it. It's still got the base white layer on the wall. I literally never even painted it. I have got so much new furniture on its way, which I'm thrilled about. I'm finally gonna have storage, and also we have the added kind of hurdle that my boyfriend has been kind of forced to move in with me because of the coronavirus situation, and he has nowhere to store his stuff. Because if I have nowhere to store my stuff, where the hell is he storing it? So I'll show you what Tim's been using as a wardrobe. It just needs a lot of work. I don't spend really any time at all in my bedroom during the day, at all. I wake up, I get out of here, and the only time I will spend in here is if I'm doing yoga, if I'm working out, or sleeping. I never sit in here to relax. I describe this room to Tim as what I think a scream looks like, and you don't want someone screaming in your bedroom. That's me just being completely honest. I allow this room to become an absolute hole often because I just don't know what to do with my clothes. It's like, you'll see, I just have piles of clean clothes everywhere waiting to get home. So yeah, that is my spiel. We're going to be doing a room transformation, and this is part 1. So in this video I am going to be emptying this room out, taking everything out of here, and I'm going to be deep cleaning. I think I'm also going to do some filling in this video, like filling holes, basically prepping for painting. I'm going to try and get rid of some things, and yeah, I'm just going to empty out this room. I want this room to be completely empty, apart from the furniture that I am keeping. Today is Wednesday. I'm thinking this is probably going to take me a week or 2 to completely finish it to the level that I want. I've got some big pieces of furniture arriving early next week, so I just want to get all of the prep work done, all of the painting done, so that I can start furnishing and styling it up. So yeah, the renovation vlogs are back, baby. So yeah, let's get this room empty. Let's get this room clean. And where the hell to begin? Okay, so here is an unfiltered, real view of my bedroom currently. So I use it where I work out. This is my gym. It is also obviously where Tim and I sleep. These clothes are all clean. I just took them all out of the tumble dryer. Laundry day was a couple days ago, so I just did like 5 different loads, took them all out of the dryer and folded them there because they literally don't have anywhere to go. As well as these. These are also all clean clothes. This was a piece of furniture that I bought for this room which arrived broken, so this needs to go. There is my mirror. There is just products everywhere because there is again no storage in here apart from my jewellery armoire and these chest of drawers which are full but need organising. I actually really love these chest of drawers. These were my grandma's and she kindly gave them to me when I moved in, and I do love them. They're super retro, so I'm keeping these, but these are going to actually become Tim's drawers, and they have matching bedside tables, which I'm going to keep one of these and then the other one I'm going to put elsewhere, and I'll show you that. And then this is my wardrobe situation, which is actually not too bad right now. I do need to go through this. There is a cupboard upstairs that I'm going to put a rail in so that I can finally hang up my coats. They take up loads and loads of space in my wardrobe that I definitely need for like jumpsuits and dresses and jumpers. So that is going to happen also over this process. So I'm going to be getting all of the coats out of there so that a lot of these clothes have somewhere to go, which I can't wait for. So excited. That is the truth of it. I haven't tidied at all, like for this video. I've literally, this is the way my bedroom looked when I woke up this morning. I haven't touched it. This is the state of it, state of affairs. And I am going to completely change it and you won't even recognise it, and it is going to be the most relaxing freaking room you have ever seen if it kills me. This is currently Tim's wardrobe. I've given him one of these underbed storage bags and he just puts his clothes in there and pushes it back. Well, he doesn't push it back under, he just keeps it open, and I can't have a go at him for it because that is my clothes. He is gonna have this chest and it's gonna live here. That's gonna go upstairs, but that's all for another video. Today's video is cleaning, tidying, emptying, and then the fun can begin. This is the bit I've been dreading. The fun part comes after this, so this will be satisfying for you guys, but freaking boring as hell for me. So step 1 for me, I think, is gonna be getting all of these clothes just into a storage solution so that I can move them all out of this room. So I'm gonna go get a couple storage bags, put all of my clean clothes in them so that they are kind of protected from everything. And I'm just gonna put them in my wardrobe and deal with them once I have my new chest of drawers. If you're wondering what I'm listening to during this, it is Louis Theroux's podcast Grounded. I'm going to talk to Louis Theroux and Boy George over the next few hours that it takes me to tidy, empty and clean this room. Let's go.
I'm Louis Theroux and welcome to my podcast series for BBC Radio 4, Grounded with Louis Theroux.
I love you, Louis Theroux.
Can you hear me all right?
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Okay, so bags are all clothed up. Bags are all clothed up. Clothes are all bagged up. I finally cleared this area that just had crap, and I've kind of sorted it into piles of like products, my teeth whitening stuff, like writing paper, technology, lashes.
Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
We're nearly there, folks. We are nearly there. We're nearly empty. From here you can see the next room that I'm tackling. It is the hallway. That is the project after the bedroom. That I've got a very clear vision and furniture on the way for out there actually. So I just need to do a drop off of all of that crap. A lick of paint. A few holes in the walls need filling. And then it should be done. This is Tim's laundry bag that he brought with him. And it's hideous. So that's going. Definitely going. I'll put it somewhere. It will serve a purpose in the house so that he doesn't feel like I'm throwing away his things. But it will not be in my bedroom. Back to Harry Styles and cleaning. Guys, here is where we're at for today. Look at the state of me. I've started filling all of the bottoms of the skirting boards because, as you guys know, I don't do spiders, okay? And so while I have the chance, I am going to spider-proof this room to the best of my ability. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going around the skirting, filling any kind of gaps, holes, anything where our little eight-legged friends, or not friends, can nestle their creepy little bodies. So yeah, everything is clean. The floor is so clean and it smells like marzipan in here because this is the floor cleaner that I use, the Method floor cleaner, and it's almond scented and it literally smells like marzipan. It smells so good. I'm sure you've assumed that these three paint swatches are my choices for this room. So which do you think I went for? I've already bought the paint. I'm gonna start painting probably maybe tomorrow. I've got a big item of furniture coming tomorrow, which I am so excited for. Leave a comment down below. Which of these three colours do you think I'm gonna use? Spoiler alert, I am actually using all three of these colours in my house. So one of them's in here, one of them's my office, and one of them is for out there. So where do you think these 3 colours are going to go? So I hope you enjoyed part 1, clearing. Part 2 is going to be painting, and then part 3 is going to be decorating and art and finishing touches. So this is probably going to be a 3-part vlog. So I really hope you enjoyed so far. I'm so excited to see how this room looks. And I will see you guys on Sunday for the weekly vlog, which is going to have a little bit of homey stuff in it, but not this much. I'm keeping them a little bit separate just because I know so many of you love renovation, like home dedicated vlogs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday, and hopefully the final transformation will go up a week today, next Thursday. So yeah, bye.